For brisket, preheat your skillet on medium-high. Season your brisket on both sides with your favorite rubs. I'm using Big Al's Original Flavor Rub, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. Little onion can be great too. Sear in skillet about 5 to 6 minutes on each side with the lid cracked till golden brown. Add some sliced onions on the side. Sear with lid cracked. About 6 minutes, turn it over, and this is the beautiful finish you want to see on each side. After that, we'll cover with the lid and do medium to low. After it starts clicking, you can add your favorite brisket marinade. Then lower to medium, cover with lid, and wait for clicking to turn to low and let semi-vacuum do its job. Let it go for several hours till fork tender. Here's the finished product, and the marinade can be one that's already prepared, or some people will take a blend of barbecue sauce, soy, and water, and any favorite seasonings, mix it and pour it over. And look how tender this cuts. Beautiful. After slicing, place the meat carefully back inside the marinade and natural juices so it soaks up all the flavor, and serve.